leaking into the passenger side of your floorboard in your 2008 Scion XB. First you start by going under here, and you pop this piece out, it comes right out. Then you want to peel back the carpet so you can expose the P hose that connects right there into this air conditioning unit right here. You're gonna need a bucket, a small bucket that can get up underneath there. Some type of wire like this, like a mechanic's wire or just a little wire. And you're definitely gonna need a rag. So you first start by gently pulling this hose out. It comes right out, as you can see. It's old. This is 2008. Then you expose that little nipple right there. See it dripping water? You take your wire and you stick it up in that hole and you clean it all out. You get it all. Just like that. See it dripping? That's what the rag's for. Now I already did this, and you won't believe that you'll get about a half a gallon of water out of the bucket. So you just hold the little bucket up there, collect all the water because you don't want it getting on your floorboard. And now you see the water is drained out. You inspect this, make sure it's not clogged. Just squeeze on a little bit. Once you drained out all the water, you slip that hose back on, just like so. And now that goes to the bottom of the car. You make sure everything's all dried up. Turn on the air conditioner with the car. Turn on your air conditioner. And now, it should be draining out that hose to the bottom of the car. And you should be getting puddles like this now, instead of in your floorboard. It should be going down to the bottom of the car, onto the ground, and not on your floorboard. It's pretty easy to do yourself. As you can see, there's little Velcro tabs on the carpet. The hose is all just pull parts. You just use a little strength to just pull it right out. And then you just watch it, make sure everything works just fine, and then put everything back. It's actually relatively simple. You do not have to pull your glove compartment out. You don't have to pull anything much more than one piece of panel out. And your car shouldn't be getting wet on the floorboard anymore.